And the race is on. Diamond Duchess from the outside, rising up, is flying with you. Under further outside, Princess Julian. Moving up by the rail is Blushing Dream. Forest All is racing in fifth by the rail. Then comes Asikuda. Be My Queen. Moving up by the rail. Royal Fair, Lucky Lord Key. And Lord of the Sun is the elite trailer. Diamond Duchess by about 2 lengths, followed by Blushing Dream in second. Princess Julian is racing in third from the outside, moving up by the rally's Forest All and Flying With You. As they race the last 500, Diamond Duchess by about 2 lengths, followed by Princess Julian. Forest All sneaking by the Royal Blushing Dreams in between runners as they race the final corner. Diamond Duchess by about 5 lengths, followed by Forest All in second. Moving up by the Royal Be My Queen and Princess Julian, and nearing the finish line from start to finish. Number 7, Diamond Duchess, Be My Queen. Asikuda, then comes entry number 4, Forest All, Lucky Lorky, Close, Royal Fair, Flying With You for your Super 6.